This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain mint versus peppermint versus spearmint full comparison. Follow along as we unpack flavors, uses, and simple ways to tell them apart in cooking and remedies, with clear tips you can use today. I will describe scent, taste, and common culinary matches, then offer quick storage and safety notes so you feel confident choosing the right mint for drinks, desserts, or herbal teas. Let's explore scent and flavor so you can tell these mints by smell and taste alone, especially when shopping or cooking. I will compare menthol levels, sweetness, and the overall intensity that impacts recipes and remedies. Expect actionable tasting cues and simple pairing ideas for drinks, salads, and confections. This segment helps you pick the right mint to enhance flavor rather than overpower a dish or herbal blend. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more quick guides. Quick recommendation: I love the Kindle Paperwhite for reading recipes, herb guides, and science summaries on the go. It makes learning about herbs convenient and portable. Check the description for the link and other deals. It helps the channel when you use them. Now let's get back to the video. Now we will talk practical use cases, including cooking and simple home remedies where each mint excels. I will highlight which mint to choose for cocktails, desserts, teas, and digestive support, plus basic dosage and steeping tips. You will learn quick substitutions and how a small amount changes a recipe. These pointers are meant to be friendly, practical, and easy to apply in your kitchen or pantry right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.